Looks so fire now. What's good? It's your boy Chevy. We are back with another video, bro. What I got popping today, we got to get the brakes put onto the whipski, right? So the 440 needs a new set of brakes. Let's go over the 440 so I can show you what I'm talking about. So boom, right here. They don't look so crazy, but that lip on there is really bad, and I believe they're warped. I'm doing front and the rear. Let me show you the rear real quick too. Now, with that, it comes a whole bunch of different things. If you didn't see the short that I dropped, it showed me actually about to start changing these out, but then I realized I needed a whole different kind of socket sets for the German cars, right? So what I actually decided to do is my boy Pon actually opened up a shop pretty recently. So what I want to do is show some love, show some support, go over there, have him change them out. He's really good with this German stuff. He actually has a pretty sweet 335i. Thing is fast. But what we're going to do is take it over there, get that done. We're going to do that later this morning. It is early right now. If you guys can't tell, it is early right now. So I'm trying not to be crazy loud. But what I got to do is actually get this thing with the new brakes on it, because right now when I brake, or let's say I'm braking really hard, the steering wheel like this is bucking. It's crazy. So we got to get those changed out. Let me show you what I'm working with though. So I am going to be rocking EBC dimpled, slotted rotors, front and rear on the car. These are EBC rotors. Oh my gosh, look how good these look. And it actually has a diagonal or the location here for them. So this is going to be the left side. Got the front right here in this package, and then we got the rears down in this one down here, this box right here. Then over here, let's crack this bad boy up, is the pads. Now, for the pad setup, I'm going to be running EBC Yellowstuffs. All the way back from my GTI days, I've always wanted to put the EBC Yellowstuffs on the car, so I'm going to do it with the 440 this time. I've heard nothing but great things. They're good for street use and track use, and I heard that they're pretty low on, maybe not the lowest, but they're lower as far as brake dust goes. So hopefully that helps keeps the wheels clean for longer. But I'm so excited because I know the braking and the biting is going to be much better, especially if I end up out with those Lambos again or something like that, because I think that's what threw the brakes off on this right now. And when we were going up in the speed, and then we were slowing down really fast, and then up in the speed, slowing down, it was putting a lot of heat into those, and they weren't able to dissipate the heat really well. I think these are going to do a much better job of that without warping, so that way your boy can be riding for much longer. No lie, that is going to look fire behind the wheel. And then eventually we can lower this thing, get a nice set of wheels on here, and possibly something done with the calipers. Y'all don't know how excited I am to get these on here. I hope you guys are hyped to see this. I got to bed them in properly, and then we got to get a review of these things because I know it's going to brake much better. Oh, let's go. Man, I love having a hatchback. It just makes it so easy to drop things in here. Look at all this space. So we got the brakes loaded up. Boom, close up the trunk, and we are ready to roll out. But before we do that, I gotta actually put the new registration on my truck because that just came in. I gotta put that on there. So many things. When you got so many vehicles, you gotta stay up to date on these things. So let me go ahead and change that out real quick. Scrape that out of the window, and then we can get rolling. All right, now I'm gonna show you guys the quickest ways I know how to get like registration stickers, things like that off a window. So let me show you. First, you're gonna need a scraper. Boom, with a blade on it. This blade doesn't fit fully properly, but it should work. Get yourself some glass cleaner like this, and let's work our way over to the car. Let me show you. All right, so now that we're at the car, what we're gonna do is take our glass cleaner and spray it. What a lot of people like to do is they first start going ham with the scraper. What you wanna do is spray that thing, get it a little wet. And I learned this from my boy Bill, so shout out Bill. Fine, spray it a little bit. Boom, get it wet, let it soak a little bit, and then when you take your scraper to it, it's gonna scrape real nice and clean. Like so. All right? It's because it got a little wet. Just like that. Now, because you use window cleaner and it's scraped off so clean, you just take a little towel in there, boom, wipe it clean, boom. Now it's off and looking real nice and perfect to put the new one on. Shout out Bill for showing me that so many years ago. It's worked perfect. I've been using it for like the last 10 years, 12 years, maybe longer. So just I figured I'd share the knowledge with you guys. Now all I did was clean it up a bit more. So now it's looking perfect. You can't even see that there was a sticker there before. Now we're laying a new one on there, nice and flat. Welcome to New York. That was a quick tip for you guys. All right, let's go over to getting these brakes put on the car because I cannot wait for that. We have just arrived. My boy about to open this up. All right, so we up here in pawn shop right now, bro. The Gorilla Performance. Boy, take a look at this. Boy, got engines going on over here. Got the list. Boy, it's looking dope in here. It's SI. Some work getting done. Y'all don't remember, this is my boy Pon right here. He was actually in an old video with Jimmy, Andy. This is his shop, this is what he got going on right now. My man just said he got everything for BMWs, Audis, Volkswagens. He can take care of your needs here. This is the guy if you gotta do that German stuff. This is the guy. You can see just how bad these are. And that's exactly why we need a new set. So if you look at these right here, tell me that's not fire. Bro, this looks fire. Oh man, you guys do not know how hyped up I am to fill these things once they're bedded in properly, because you already see how good they look on the car. Look at the back ones. Like, sheesh. Even the back is looking fire. This man Pon is holding it down right now. BMW. Yeah. Facts. That looks so good. All right, so we are out of the shop now. I got the whip over here, bro. This thing looks so good. I cannot express it enough. Like, hold on. I am actually type hype right now. Look at that. Look at that. I'm sitting here thinking, like, was my rotors even that big in the first place? But behind the wheel, it looks so good now. So now when you parked up, like what is parked up right now, like, yo, I am hyped, bro. Like, if you won't do this, you gotta do it. Like, honestly, I don't even want to say if you don't do it. Just do it, bro. Look at that. Looks so fire now. And like, I don't want to say like this right here is causing people to look at the car, but when I was cruising past people, right, I bedded them in properly, everything like that. But when I'm cruising past people, I see people looking like this is the same day I just got these changed out. I see people looking, and I feel like I didn't see people looking before. And it's not like something crazy aesthetic, but when you got brakes that look much better than regular stock like blanks, you look at that car a bit longer. Now I know once your boy get a set of wheels on this thing, it's gonna look fire with those behind it. Like, I am so hyped. Anyways, this is your boy Chevy. I guess as first impressions of these brakes right here, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I haven't hit on them really hard yet, but just regular cruising compared to where I was before. And I did make a promise as well. After one stock F30 had went, I was like, I got to do another safety mod. So we know now that the safety mod is done, it is time for some more performance to be added to the car, because now we can properly slow the car down. So you already know things are coming up. And if you ain't check out the channel yet, you already know your boy picked up a vet as well. So we got a base vet. That thing's gonna be getting modified up even more too, but I gotta get a little bit more used to the car. I wanna make sure I can handle the power of where that's sitting right now, and make sure that, you know, your boy doesn't end up on the news as something crazy. So right here, these brakes, 10 out of 10. First impressions, works really good. I will let you guys know a full review of how it feels after I'm driving it for a while and I actually got to do some real hard stopping. How does that work? But most people know EBC Yellowstuffs. Those are the pads to get, right? They're good for the street and some track use, So, anyways, it's your boy Chevy. We are signing out with another video. I hope you guys appreciate that. Pon, thanks for all the love you showing over there at Gorilla Performance. You already know. If you guys got something that needs to be done, holla at him. He will take care of you. He'll help you out, especially when it comes to these German vehicles, right? I'm talking Audis, Volkswagen, BMW. Heck, you got a Porsche, holla at your boy. He might be able to take care of you. It's your boy Chevy. We signing out with another video. Make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. And now after all that, I gotta make sure I get this car washed up, because this thing is looking real dirty right now. It's been raining, some craziness right there. Oh yeah, if you guys decide to get these, remember that first coating that's on there where it looks real gray, it's just the first layer. As soon as you go and you put on the brakes, you get that nice silver finish that you see right here, right now. Bro, this thing looks so good. So good. I ordered these things off of buybrakes.com. Like literally the website is called buybrakes.com. It's not an affiliate link or anything like that, but I'll put the link down below of where I ordered them from. You just put in the year of your car, the make, the model, all of that stuff. It kicks it right out for you. And you know, if you order for these BMWs, it can be tricky. Like, do I got these brakes, what's on there? It shows you the diameter of the brakes as well. These are the EBC brakes right here. Bro, I didn't go with the base package. I went with the package above that. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so hyped that these brakes are on here. I hope you guys are excited to see this as well. And I cannot wait to get back to you guys with a full review of these brakes. I almost forgot to show you guys how to reset like brakes when you do it. So if you press and put it into the on position, right? Make sure my radio's off. All right. Then you're gonna press and hold down this button here for 5 seconds. Bang. So you're gonna end up here. This is how you set your oil as well. And you're gonna press the button again, press it again until you get to where you want to reset. I'm at rear brake pads, 33,000 miles, reset possible. I'm gonna press and hold it down. It's gonna say reset with a question mark. Boom. I let go of it and I'm gonna press and hold it down again. Then it's gonna move through this progress bar. And once that finishes, the reset is done. Perfect. There we go. Front pads, engine oil, brake fluid. Super easy process to reset this. They just don't give that into you in the manual or anything like that. So I want to make sure I share that with you guys. Hope it helps. I literally almost forget this every single time. Let's get Shorty's reaction and what she thinks of the new brakes. I mean, looking at this thing in the front of the house looks so good. Like, bro, you don't know how much brakes changes the way a car looks. All right, so I got Shorty. This is the first time seeing the brakes on the whip. What do you think? A little sharp. Right? Yeah. Like, especially the front, right? Like, yeah. Oh my gosh, I hope you guys can really tell. Like, I can't even remember if the brakes were this big inside of the wheels before, but like, it looked like they eat up a whole bunch of the inside of the wheel, but they're the same size. It looks so good. Looks so good, especially shining like that too. And now your boy is really out. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.
Okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase